Okay, so okay, so this is the virtual office. Let me take you through some basic features. It's just a management system for, let me say, bringing together different aspects of different systems. So, for example, you can, let's say, have about four different systems. We can integrate all of them into the virtual office for you to manage, those systems. Okay, so like this one, for instance, is connected to about um, four systems. Okay, so we have some basic features like the credentials. So depending on what you do, that is how we are going to, program for you. Yeah, but as I told you, I connect different systems, even offline systems. Offline systems are connected to the virtual office. Yeah. So when it comes to admin and the credentials, it's just going to list the users on the system, and then their details. Okay. And then each user is assigned specific privileges. So when you see when you look at the user role, you have developer, business administrator. So we have different roles. They all have their different dashboards and feature. Okay, so this is the administrative dashboard, or the administrative part of the system. Okay, so let's come to task. Now this is the task system I was talking about. So let's say in your company, maybe you will be assigning, or you assign tasks to your staff. So for example, the task over here is what I have assigned, is assigned to me. Me as the administrator, I'm also assigned task. I can assign a task, I can create a task and then assign myself. So as you can see, this task is not done. This is the timeline, and then this is the person who, no, this is the assignee, that is me. Yeah. So as you can see, this task is expired. Yeah. So you can use the task system to, let's say, monitor the progress of the work you assign to your staff. So to create a task, you click this, you click create task, and then you type the task title, you give a description. You can even insert, let's say, an image or video relating to the task, and then you choose a timeline, and then the assignee over here, you select the person who is supposed to perform the task. Then when you finish, you click submit. Now the moment you click submit, the system will send an email alert to the person, to the assignee. You will get an email alert, and then there is also a notification system on this app. So he also receive a desktop alert, a desktop alert, or if he's using on his mobile phone, he's going to receive a notification. Apart from the email, he's going to receive a notification that a task has been assigned to him. And then you can also update tasks. For example, this one, I can say that, okay, this task is in progress, so I'll click in progress, and then the system so you see the notification I was talking about. The system will show you a notification that you have updated the task, and then now the task is set to what, in progress. So when I finish performing this task, I just click complete, and then the system will send an alert to any update you make. The system send alert to the one who assigned the task. Yeah. Okay, now these are some offline systems. I take feeds from offline systems. Yeah. So for example, there's an e-commerce for an offline user. So the system give me feeds at specific periods. Yeah. So though it's an offline system, I'm able to track what's going on the system and all that. And then yeah. Okay. Now let's come to the memo. Okay, so you can use the memo section to also create a memo and then set a designation. So you enter memo title, you enter the detail, and then with my designation we have all admin L developers business. So if I want to send to everyone, if I want this memo to go to everyone, I'll just click all and then click create. So you can create a memo and then send it to maybe a particular department of the organization, and then when you do that, the system will send an email alert to all the staff in that department. Okay, and then you see they also have a similar dashboard like this. So the moment you create the memo, it displays on their that they receive an alert, and then it also displays on their dashboard, and then they can also reply a memo. So as you can see, this reply is one. So you can also click and then you give a reply to the memo. Yeah. You can give a reply to the memo, and then when you do that, the system still send alerts to all the people who are supposed to see this memo. So anyone can reply to the memo, and then an alert will be sent to everyone. Yeah. Okay, so that is the memo part. And then we also have finance, the financial system. We use it to keep our financial records. So if we want to add a payment, yeah. Now this virtual office is also connected to our mobile app, so we receive fees from our mobile app as well. For example, the moment someone logs into the mobile app, a notification will be shown here. A notification will be indicated here that someone has logged in, and then it will show the login status, and it will even play a sound to show that there is a new notification. Okay, so let's come to the adding of payment. As my system slow like that. Okay, so this is how you add a payment. We've customized it, or we've programmed it the way we operate. So to add a payment, we have a customer ID and request ID. So like over here we have specific customers that we work with, and we've assigned them request ID, and then they have user ID. So we use this information to enter payments whenever they make a payment. So the moment you click submit, the system will generate a receipt, and then you can send the receipt through email, or you can download the receipt, and then the customer is also going to receive a notification, that's an SMS notification that we've received his payment. So when it comes to, let's say, all payments, here you can also print receipts or send receipts to customers. So these are all the payments we've received. So if I want to, let's say, print this receipt, I'll just click print here, then the system will generate the receipt. Okay, so the system will generate the receipt. Then I can either print the receipt or I can email the receipt. Yeah, so normally the system will automatically put the customer's email here, depending on the depending on the customer's payment codes. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Then we have other, other fields like the debtors, commission, and other stuff here. Okay. And then this payment part, it is connected to all our applications. For example, when someone buys an SMS, it is automatically recorded on the system. It is automatically recorded for us. So everything is most of the things are almost all the things we do are automated. Okay. We also have the messaging system. The messaging system here. So you can send a bulk SMS, or you can also send emails on the virtual office. Yeah. So you can just write your email, enter title, and then you can add attachment. So you can add, let's say, a file to the email, and the file you have to there's a portion where you update you upload the file, and then you can attach it to your mail. And then over here you can just enter the email addresses of all the recipients. So you type the email, you append comma, you type email, you append comma. When you finish, you click submit, send, and then it will send email to all the recipients. Then this is an SMS. You can also send bulk SMS over here. Okay. Then we also have the notification system. Okay, so alright, then we have the notification center. So let's say if you want to send notification to, let's say, all our customers, and the customers are grouped depending on the system, the systems they are using. Yeah, so I can just come here. Now this is in-app. This in-app, when we want to send notification to our Android app, a Firebase notification to our Android app, this is where we do it. We send it, and then it will send to all those using our app, using the Links mobile app. They will receive that notification. Yeah, then here I can create a notification and then set a destination. So I can say that, okay, this notification should go to all quick SMS users. So if I select quick SMS users and then I set the date and then click submit, I can set the date, say, okay, tomorrow you should send that notification to all quick SMS users, and the notification will be sent. So it can also be used for less advertising purpose. Yeah. And then we also have other applications here, like the resolver. So the resolver, what it does is, if you want to know the name of a person using his phone number, you just type the phone number here, and then you click resolve. The system will automatically show you the phone number, so any number at all. You see, the system will show you the name. Okay. We have email checker, and then let me come to upload. So the upload is used to upload documents, kind of filing system. So I can just click here and then give the title of the file I'm uploading. So let's say project document. Then here I'll select category. So let's say let me say agreement, and then click continue. So you browse the file that you want to upload. let me just take yeah, so it will upload the file for you. That's right. And then you can also download any file. Okay, you can also search for a file. Let's say project document, and so you see, yeah, you can download it. So yeah, so that is the virtual office, and we can add any other feature that you want, yeah, depending on what you do, or depending on the operations of your organization. Yeah, almost all that we do, we have a management portion for it on our virtual office. Yeah. Okay. All right, and this is the website traffic. Here it detects when there is a visitor on the website, it detects it over here. So as you can see, our unique visitors for 2022 is this 3,330 this, yeah. So, and it gives you the percentage breakdowns, yeah. And then someone sends a message on the website, these are website messages, it automatically displays it over here, yeah. Okay, so the moment you see this thing go round, it means that there's an update. So periodically it just turns, and then it doesn't, it's not only the chart, it's all the stuff on the dashboard. Periodically the system gives you updates, automatically refreshes, and then gives you the update, yeah. Okay, so I'll end here, and then maybe if you have any question or something, we can discuss. All right.